The ACCC has taken supermarket giant Coles to court in a bun fight over fresh bread. The consumer watchdog claims shoppers have been misled, with loaves baked up to 6 months earlier labelled as fresh.
Baked today or faked today? That's the question at the centre of a federal court hearing in which Coles stands accused of lying to customers when it labels its bread as freshly baked. The court was told many of its products were made using a process called par baking, where loaves are cooked on the inside, then frozen, and only the crusts are finished off in Coles bakery ovens. This daily bread is sometimes baked weeks in advance. One line was prepared 6 months earlier in Ireland. The Australian Competition and Consumer Commission doesn't want to prevent Coles from selling pre-baked bread. It's instead seeking more honest labelling, so people know what they're buying.
Coles argued that baking, in a retail sense, was different to baking at home, with flour and a big mess. It said finishing off products in store still qualified as baking. It didn't have to be from scratch.
Lawyers for Coles argued that supermarkets were full of products that were labelled fresh but had once been frozen, and bread was no different. They said the case boiled down to what consumers understood the words baked and fresh to mean. If the court sides with the ACCC, Coles will have to change its labelling and could be fined a significant slice of its profits. Kate Osborne, 7 News.